bismillahi raxmaani video uu soo halgaaday madaxweyne Trump oo dhinaca ka raran ayaa aad loola yaabay oo soo dhigay bartiisa socialka iyo X iyo Facebooka oo shalay uu soo dhigay falcelin badan ayaa ka dhalatay caalamka oo dhan aad baa looga falcelinay gaar ahaan Falastiiniinta waxay leeyihiin shan maqal oo maalmood ayaa cadaab ku jirnay oo saxariir ku jirnay nolol iyadu hata ku nooleen markaas maanta wuxuu leeyahay qasan qaadanaya ilaa ka ay ugu dambeeyay oo ku dhimanayna leeyihiin dadka qasoo kale oo ayagana laga weydiiyay arrinkaas waxay yiraahdeen qasankan waxba kama yaqaan waana hoogi halaag buu kala kulmi doonaa dhulkan isaan la socon daawadayaal waa dhulkii barkeysnaa mashaadka barkeysnaa ayaa ku yaala Baytul Maqdis waa dhulkii ambiyada waa dhulkii Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala waa dhulkii muslimiinta marka riyadan yuhuuda riyo suurtagal maaha ay leeyihiin Trump qasada cusub oo Elon Musk iyo asaga ay wadaan iyo nacala ku yaan Netanyahu arrinkan arrin soconaya maaha waana dhamaadkii adduunka inay isku dayaan arrinkan iyo qorshahan ay wadaan asaga yuhuudu marka saan loo socon daawadayaal madaxweyne Trump oo xukunka ku yimid maalinta koobaad ayaa waxaan ka dhigayaa dalka Mareykanka waxa walba bedelaya oo inflation bedelaya day one Mr. Day One bal aragno inuu qasa qaadan karayo in kale marka sala daawano fiidiyoyaasha laga daariyay iyo martay isoo xidhan
500 days and genocide and displacement and poverty and horrible conditions that even the animals couldn't handle it. And after that, he's going to control Gaza? No, we're not going to let you. We're not going to accept that. We will fight you as long as we can.
You don't know anything about Gaza because this video is ridiculous. There's nothing related to Gaza.
Palestinians and much of the Arab and Muslim world had already angrily rejected Trump's proposal for the U.S. to take over Gaza when he made it a few weeks ago.
I don't want to be cute. I don't want to be a wise guy, but the Riviera of the Middle East, this could be something that could be so bad. This could be so magnificent.
When asked about the video, a White House spokesperson repeating plans for Gaza's rebuilding, writing in part that it will allow for Palestinians to resettle in new, beautiful communities while improving conditions in the region for generations to come. But there are some more imminent concerns for the people of Gaza right now, as phase 1 of the Israeli-Hamas ceasefire finally comes to a close. The Hamas media office for prisoners saying 620 Palestinian prisoners were released tonight. And the Israeli Prime Minister's office confirming 4 deceased Israeli hostages were also returned home. It comes as Israelis mourn the loss of the Bibas family, Mother Shiri and her 2 sons Ariel and Kafir, killed after being taken hostage by Hamas on October 7th. Israeli officials say tens of thousands lined the streets for a lengthy funeral cortege that traveled almost half the length of Israel today, ending near the kibbutz where the family was kidnapped. The husband and father of the Bibas family, who was just released last month, delivering a tearful eulogy, saying in part, Shiri, I'm sorry I couldn't protect you all. If only I had known what would happen, I wouldn't have fired.
And Alice, thanks for joining us. Let me tell you something. We've been on the air for how many years now with this show, Guillermo?
21.
22 is the correct answer. And every night we pack them in. We have a line of people out in front of the theater waiting to get in. And you know why these people are out there every night trying to get in this theater? I'll tell you why. Because the tickets are free. Because we don't charge. We're like the library without the homeless people masturbating. And we're only going to get more popular because consumer confidence is at the lowest mark it's been for more than 4 years. Consumer confidence is this measure of how optimistic we are about the economy. And the answer right now is not very, to which I say, give it a minute. Donald Trump, I know he ran saying he's going to lower prices, make everybody rich. It's not like he promised he would do it all on day one.
Starting on day 1, we will end inflation and make America affordable again. We'll do that. I will immediately bring prices down starting on day 1. On day 1, I will begin to reverse the disastrous effects of Biden's inflation.
Set you free, bringing the light for all to see. No more tunnels, no more fear. Trump Gaza is finally here. Trump Gaza shining bright, golden future, a brand new light. Feast and dance, the deal is done. Trump Gaza #1. Trump Gaza shining bright, golden future, a brand new light. Feast and dance, the deal is done. Trump Gaza #1.